Vriddhi and Vihar, how many tables do you know?
No, no, no.
How many?
First one.
You
I
know only
don't know.
you don't know only you know only one table, or you don't know even one table also.
Don't know.
Okay, you don't know one table also. Okay. For example, there is a rule that whenever you are multiplying with one, whatever you multiply with
Sir,
one,
it's the
the,
same number.
the same will be the answer. For example, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 1 is 4, 5
4.
times 1 is 5, and Sanju times 1 is also Sanju, and Vriddhi times 1 also Vriddhi. Whatever we multiply with 1, we'll get the same. Understood, Vidya and Viha? Understood? Vidya and Viha. Yeah, let's see. We'll also learn 10 table also now. If you know one table, it is easy to learn 10 table. Why? Because you
Sir,
already
10
know.
tables to add 10.
So whenever you know one table, 2 times 1 is 2. And how many zeros are there here? 1 0. Add 0 to it. 20.
1 0.
3 times 10 is 30.
30.
Sanju times 10 is nothing, but you have to write Sanju 10 times.
Sanju 10.
Okay, not 0, Sanju 0. Okay. Okay, let's get started with a simple table. Okay, as a demo. So, do you know three? I will teach you two table and three table for today. Just some logic I will tell you. Okay, so Vriddhi and Viha, are you there? Will you please talk with me? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Purushottam.
Vriddhi and Viha. Yeah. Do you know even numbers? What is even number is? Do you know that? Even numbers. 2, 4,
Four.
6,
Four.
8, 10.
Ten.
Again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. You'll write like this, okay? 24680,
Okay.
24680. So we need to add just 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. That's it. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 6, 2 times 7, 2 times 8, 2 times 9, 2 times 10. Understood?
Yes.
Got it? Just write 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. First row we'll write 0 before the number for except last one. Again we write 1 for the second line except last. That's it. We got the two table. It's easy. You see, I will tell you the three table. Vriddhi and Viha will tell three table now. Vriddhi, do you know numbers 1 to 9?
Yes.
Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me?
Yes.
1, tell me.
Three to
1, 2, 1 to 9 numbers. Tell me. Just tell me the numbers. 1, 2.
one, two, three, four,
Tell me up to 9.
five, seven, eight, nine,
You
10.
see, completed. 1 to 9 it is completed. So we are doing three table. Okay, table 3. Okay. So now can you please tell me what is the first number? First starting number.
three,
Not here.
eight,
In and actually in
nine,
numbers. In numbers we have the first number is 1 or 0. Tell me which is the first number in numbers.
one,
No, before 1 we have 0 also.
zero,
0 is less than 1. Yes. So in first
yes,
row you write 0. After 0 what will come? After 0.
one,
Right in second row you write 1. After 1 what will come?
two,
And finally we already know 3 times 10 is 30 because we already know 10 table, right? Yes or no? It is 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 7 21, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 10 is 30. It's very easy, right?
yes,
You see, just very easy. Write numbers from 1 to 9, starting from the bottom, and just first number is 0, second number is 1, third number is, and finally 30 is 3 times 10. Easy, right?
yes,
Got it?
yes, yes,
Yes, we have learned 2 table and 3 table. If we need to practice every day 1 table, I will teach you. If you register for the course, every day I will teach you in a funny way, like playway method. Actually, I just explained how to write, but I how to learn I will tell you in the regular class after you register for the course. Okay, at that time we will just play the games. Entire Vedic Maths course is a game, no learning, only playing. Understood?